In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share calendars in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever struggled to coordinate meetings or keep your team in sync, sharing your Outlook calendar is one of the simplest ways to make scheduling smoother and more transparent. First, open Microsoft Outlook. On the desktop app, look to the bottom left navigation pane and click the calendar icon. If you're using Outlook on the web, you'll find the calendar icon in the left sidebar. This switches your view from mail to calendar. On the left, under a section labeled My Calendars, you'll see your calendars listed. If the list looks collapsed, expand it so you can clearly see your primary calendar. Next, choose the calendar you want to share. Right-click that calendar name to bring up the context menu, or select the calendar and go to the Home tab, then choose Share Calendar. A sharing window will pop up. In the field provided, type the recipient's name or email address. Outlook supports adding one person at a time, so if you plan to share with multiple people, you'll simply repeat this action for each person. Take a moment to double-check the address to make sure you're sending the right level of access to the right individual. Now set the permissions. Use the drop-down menu to pick how much access you want to grant. Can view when I'm busy, shows only free or busy blocks without any event details. Can view titles and locations, reveals meeting names and where they're happening but not the full description. Can view all details, lets the person see everything on your calendar, including descriptions and attendees. Can edit, allows them to add and modify events on your calendar. And Delegate gives full management capabilities, which is ideal if someone needs to schedule, update, or manage your calendar on your behalf. A helpful rule of thumb is to grant the minimum permissions needed for the person to do their job, and you can always adjust these permissions later. When you're satisfied with the access level, click Share. Outlook sends an email invitation to the recipient so they can add your calendar to their view. If you don't see the Share option, make sure you've selected your own calendar under My Calendars, not a shared one you already have open. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.